sorry,
Can you go Payong from the...
I was late from, when I saw it, I was like,
Yeah. Payong. That's Tuma. It's not wrong. It's not wrong. But Tuma. Okay. Brain frazzled. Okay, let's just do regular Bigay Tama.
okay. Yeah, it's been a while.
Just regular Bigay Tama.